Today, we'll show you how to create and add planning areas for scheduling in K-Mine. This step is very important, as the success of your entire scheduling process depends on it. Currently, the Calendar Planning plugin in K-Mine supports 3 convenient methods for creating planning areas. First, drawing areas manually. Second, loading areas directly from the block model. Third, creating areas from visible blocks. These 3 methods provide flexibility in creating and adjusting your planning areas. You can access this menu using the icon on the taskbar or through the Areas option in the context menu. Let's start with the most popular method, creating an area from visible blocks. It's widely used due to its simplicity. All you need is your pushback project or working area to limit the block model using surfaces. Usually, 2 surfaces are enough, but sometimes even 1 will do, depending on your objective. With the Set Properties command, add your surfaces, set the visibility of the blocks, and then include your completed area in the scheduling project. For extra clarity, you can hide the block model in the K-Mine environment. Now your area is ready, and we can move on. The next method allows you to instantly create multiple areas using pre-prepared data from your block model. This is most effectively done in the K-Mine Optimization module. Simply select the necessary block model field, specify the areas you want to load, and you'll instantly see your results. All these areas appear directly in your scheduling project, quickly and easily. Remember, however, effective planning requires thorough preparation and precise area configuration. A useful bonus: settings from one area can be easily copied to others. This is especially convenient if you have many similar areas. Finally, let's look at manually drawing an area. This method is ideal when one large area needs to be divided into several smaller segments. For example, clearly separating zones for different equipment units. Simply select points directly on your plan, then adjust the upper and lower boundaries of the area as needed. This allows you to flexibly create the exact dimensions required for your scheduling plan. Thus, we've provided you with a flexible toolkit for effective calendar planning. Experiment, adjust, and enjoy great results with K-Mine.